Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. My name is Justina and my channel's name is Simply Natural, and in here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit-chat, vlog and natural hair videos. So subscribe and stay tuned, and please press on that notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video, it is another cooking video. Anyway guys, it's another cooking recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my spaghetti jollof quick and easy without wasting more time. You know, you get inside the kitchen, you want to get it done fast. Now let's go and let's get out. So yeah, and with the kids at home, this is a good idea of, you know, knowing how to feed the kids. You know, they're off school, they're in here 24/7, you're running out of ideas on what to feed them, and sometimes you're even tired to go and cook. So this recipe makes it easy. Just you get inside the kitchen, you do what you have to do, and you get yourself out from that kitchen. Anyway guys, we are going to be making my simple spaghetti jollof recipe. For the fact that it's simple does not mean it's not tasty. It is so juicy. Anyway guys, come on board. Let me introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. Yeah, this is onions. I'm going to be using these onions to cook my meat, and that is onions that I'm going to be using to fry the tomato. I have this 2 chicken stock. This is the powdered chicken stock from Nigeria. This is the Irish chicken stock. That's the way the carton looks. That is my garlic, my curry and salt, my Nigerian mix seasoning, and the 2 tomatoes. I have the chopped one and the plum one. I am not going to be blending this tomato at all. I am going to be frying it the way it is. And that is my spaghetti. So let's get started in cooking this food. So that is our chicken guys. Let's start adding ingredients in our chicken. So I'm going to add this chicken stock. I'm adding 2 spoons of it. I'm going to add salt. I'll add the onions. I'm going to add curry. And I'm going to add garlic. I'm adding the Nigerian mix seasoning. Okay, we're going to start cooking this chicken. I'll put the stove on and we'll start cooking the chicken. I will not add any water at this point, but I'll add water at some point. So guys, while our chicken is boiling, we're going to start frying our tomato, because remember, we're not blending our tomato. So we're going to dive in and start frying it. I'm going to add oil. I'm going to add more oil from the one that I have used to fry something. I am going to allow the oil to get hot, and then we'll start adding our onions. I'm so sorry guys, I thought my camera was rolling but for some reason it wasn't rolling. So I added my onions, my red onions, and it's when I was trying to add my tomato that I found out my camera wasn't rolling. So I add my tomato. I add the chopped tomato because I've added the plum tomato. Sorry for the technical difficulty. Alright, so I've added the onions and the tomato. It is in the stove now, because whenever I want to add something, I take it out of the stove because it's very bubbly and very hot. So basically I'm going to fry this tomato until it dries out. And on this other side, my chicken is still cooking. That's my chicken. I have not added any water in the chicken. It's still boiling with its own water. So I'm going to leave it to keep boiling because it's a hard chicken. So I'm going to cook it until it gets softer. So guys, I will add water in this chicken now. So I have added water. I'm going to cover and keep cooking. So guys, it is time to start adding our ingredients in here. I have taken it out of the stove, and as you can see, the tomato has dried out. You can see the oil. So once you have fried your tomato and it has dried out, it is time to start adding your seasonings. So I'm going to add my Nigerian mix seasoning. I'm going to add curry. I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add this pot of chicken stock. I'm going to add Nigerian chili. And I'm going to mix everything together. I'll put it back on the stove for another 5 minutes to mix all the ingredients together. So it is now on the stove. So guys, after 5 minutes, I have taken this tomato out of the stove. It has finished frying now. Okay, I've taken it out. I am going to put water on the stove for the spaghetti. I'm going to leave this water to get hot, and then I'll add the spaghetti for like 4 minutes inside the hot water, 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'll take it out. So guys, now our water is hot. It's time to add in our spaghetti. First, I will add a little bit of salt in the water, and I will break in the spaghetti. So I'm going to turn so they will not be sticking together. So I didn't add all of them because this spaghetti is a big pack. It's like 2-in-1 kind of pack. It's not the regular pack, so it's a big pack. Guys, while I'm leaving my spaghetti for 4 or 5 minutes, I am going to add my chicken inside my tomato pot. I'm going to add water. I'm going to turn and taste for salt. I'm going to cover and leave it to boil up. So guys, now it is time to take out my spaghetti because I don't want it to boil more than that. That's the way it is. I'm going to take it out from the stove. So guys, it is time to add in the spaghetti inside the tomato sauce. So I have taken it out and I have rinsed it out. So now I'm adding it in. So I'm going to turn. So guys, I'm going to cover and put it back. So guys, after 20 minutes, our spaghetti is ready, guys. Look at that. Look at that, delicious. Wow. It looks so yummy. Very tasty. So tasty, guys. So it is time to dish out. Wow, look at that. Look at that goodness, guys. So guys, this is our spaghetti jollof. It is looking super tasty and super delish. So guys, this is where this cooking video is going to end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. And yeah, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe as well. This spaghetti jollof is tasting so yummy. It is super juicy and super delish. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. Hey, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this cooking recipe for today. This is one of my kids' favorite. They love jollof spaghetti so much. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and this is what we're going to be having for lunch today. Yeah, anyway guys, tell me what you think about this recipe. Give it a try and tell me what you think about it. It is so juicy, it's so tasty, it's mouth watering. I can't wait to eat it myself. I love spaghetti jollof more than the kids. Anyway guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, please take a moment and give me a thumbs up because it means a lot to me and my channel. This is telling YouTube that I'm doing okay job in what I do, and so they can recommend my video to some other people who love cooking recipes. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and effort, and I really appreciate the love you're showing to me in my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one.